Hi everyone and welcome back to the virtual classroom where we look, listen and learn together. I've found an interesting plant here that you might have seen before. It's from a tree. Prickly. Nearly prickled my face. Those are needle-like leaves and they are a bit prickly. These are a pine cone. Does that give you a clue? Needle-like leaves, a pine cone. That's right, it's a pine tree or a conifer. I don't know if you've heard the word conifer before. That's often used to identify that type of tree. I have my special book here and I thought maybe we could think of some of the vocabulary connected to the tree conifer. What do you know about a conifer or a pine tree? Let's put the word conifer in the middle. So we write conifer in there. And this tree is an interesting tree. I might write the word tree. And they're quite a tall tree. And they grow in forests, usually. They're tall. And they're quite old. Prehistoric. When the dinosaurs were around. So I have tree connected to conifer. They're tall and old. Prehistoric, and dinosaurs, when dinosaurs are around, because dinosaurs loved to munch on these beautiful pine cones, eat the seeds and the skin. This might give us another clue for some of the words that we might write on our page. That's right, these needles, they're an evergreen tree, that's right, evergreen. They don't really lose their needle-like leaves. They have needle leaves. And that helps them to save a lot of water because they won't lose much water from that leaf because it's so thin and narrow along there. What else could we have? What grows on the pine tree? That's right, cones. And do you know what? There are two types of cones, or pine cones. There's the male and the female. And the male is smaller and it has pollen, often yellow pollen. And they help to fertilize that female pine cone to grow the seeds. And this pine cone is bigger and woody and protects the seeds. And it has sort of like a glue to protect the cone, a sap that's sticky to make sure that seed is protected. They're an interesting shape. They're sort of like a diamond shape. What else could we think of for this tree, the conifer? There are lots of different types. There's the cedar, the fir. Cedar spelled with a C, sorry. I've got a list there. A Scotswood pine. And maybe a spruce. I don't know if you know any other names connected to the conifer tree. You might be able to do some research on this conifer tree. Let's think. Oh, they're pretty resilient. Have you heard that word before? Resilient and strong. And they survive They survive in pretty harsh conditions. And harsh conditions can mean cold or wet or hot and dry. So they adapt. They're adaptable, those trees. Wow, we've got a lot of words here. And they're quite fast growing as well. They can grow very, very tall. They're a tall tree on this earth. And the types here, there are nearly 600 types around the world, and they're all over the world, not in just Australia, not in just the United States, not in just Britain, they're everywhere. They adapt to different climates, different conditions. So they're an interesting tree. They're very smart trees, these trees. Maybe you can make your own list of words or come up with some words that you have thought of for the pine tree. Maybe you can do some writing. Maybe you could even draw some of these needles, or head out to your local park or down the street and see if there are any pine trees around. I'll see you next time. Bye.